Good morning, everyone. This is Christine at FiberTech Carpet Care in Oak Bay, and we have just arrived at a lovely home in Langford, BC, which we are completing a cleaning of a living room and a hallway. Now, the hallway has had some human excrement accidents, so this is also we're doing a deodorizer disinfectant to ensure that this is removed and that the carpet is completely clean. So this is something that we do offer when there is an accident. So just trying to be quiet here. Harry's just working on the bedroom right now. And then we'll also be completing this part of the hallway. And then the living room, which there's also a few spots in here as well. So we will come back once Harry is continuing the work into the hallway, and we'll get another video so you can see the progress of this cleaning. Please stay tuned, and if you're interested in getting your carpets cleaned, fantastic, as Harry always does, give us a call. FiberTech Carpet Care in Oak Bay, 778-433-9348. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.